Hello again, hello again. Okay, here we are ready to do Comprehension Check 12. This is the second comprehension check in the week 3 packet. And here we've got a story about Jake. So let's go ahead. You can follow along as I read it. Jake woke up early. He remembered that today is his mom's birthday. He wants to do something special for his mom. He decides to bring her breakfast in bed. They are out of milk, so he can't bring her cereal. He is not allowed to use the oven, so he can't make her pancakes. Jake knows what he can make for his mom. Last night they ate spaghetti and his mom loved it. Jake heated up a plate of spaghetti in the microwave. Jake put it on a tray and carried it upstairs. Wow, what a nice kid. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll go over the questions. And remember, if you have some crayons or colored pencils or markers, you can use that to underline the information in here, and then you can either write it or we can just call underlining the information good. So the first question is, what does Jake remember about today? So you'll use your red crayon or marker, colored pencil, or you can just use a pencil, and you'll find the information and you'll underline it. If you just use a pencil, then come over here and write the answer down, okay? Number 2, what does Jake decide to do for his mom? In using orange or even just a pencil, find the information and underline it, and then you can either write it over here, or if you use the right color over here, you don't have to write it unless you would like to. Number 3, why doesn't Jake make pancakes? Yellow, find the information, underline it, and then you can write it over here if you would like. What does Jake make for his mom? Green, so find the information over here, underline it, and you can write it over here if you want. Now, the last question is, do you think Jake's mom will like her breakfast? Why or why not? So there's really no right or wrong answer to this. But what you do need to make sure is that, so you can either say, yes, she will like it, or no, she will not. But you need to give an example. Why or why not? I think she will like it because, or I don't think she will like it because, okay? And then give me your reason. So for this one, you do need to write an answer out here because it's not something you're gonna find in the passage. Okay, so I'm gonna have you go ahead, pause your video to do your work, and then we will go ahead and go over the answers in just a moment. Okay, boys and girls, here we are to go over the questions for comprehension check number 12. So the first question was, what does Jake remember about today? And we were going to use red. Well, Jake woke up early. He remembered that today is his mom's birthday, so I underlined that in red, and you could write that over here on the lines if you would like. What does Jake decide to do for his mom? Orange. Well, he decides to bring her breakfast in bed. So again, underline it in orange, and if you'd like, you can write it over here. Why doesn't Jake make pancakes? Yellow. He is not allowed to use the oven, so he can't make her pancakes. So, got to be safe. Got to make sure we're being safe. Number 4, what does Jake make for his mom? In green. So, Jake heated up a plate of spaghetti in the microwave. He put it on a tray and carried it outside. If you just did Jake heated up a plate of spaghetti in the microwave, that would be fine as well. And if you want, you can write it on the line. Now, the last question was, do you think Jake's mom will like her breakfast? Why or why not? There was no right or wrong answer for this, but you did have to give a reason to support your answer. So I said, I think Jake's mom will like her breakfast because she liked it the night before. Because over here, it said last night they ate spaghetti and his mom loved it. So I think she will like it. Now, you might have said you might say, I don't think she will like her breakfast because people don't like to eat spaghetti at breakfast, or some people don't like to eat spaghetti at breakfast. But whatever answer you gave, as long as you supported it, that is fine. So here we go. Here are the answers for comprehension check number 12. I'll see you real soon for comprehension check number 13.